So next is field status variant. I will tell you what is field status variant first. First we'll get into the screen, or let me explain you the topic. So field status variant is like we can control all the fields. For example, in a document, there will be some fields like customer name, customer phone number, customer address, and customer GST number. For example, customer number is there. So this is, we'll keep like customer number as mandatory. That means only if we enter the customer name or customer phone number, customer account number, like customer name here, then only the system will accept. So this is customer phone number. So customer phone number, I will keep it like this is optional. This will be under optional. Even though if we enter or not enter, system will accept. And customer address also, I will keep it as optional. But customer GST number, I'll keep it as mandatory. So if only if we enter these two fields, system will post the transaction. We can post the transaction. Okay. If we are not entering this, if we did not enter the GST number, even though if we click on post, system will tell an error stating that there is a star mark. Here there is a mandatory field. Please enter this. Then only you can post the document. So again, we need to get into this and fill up this details of GST number, and then we can post. So here what we are doing, we are controlling these fields. So these fields can be controlled in field status variant. So field status variant, from to define this field status variant, from display IMG screen, go to financial accounting first, and then under financial accounting we have financial accounting global settings, ledgers. In ledgers, first ledgers, in ledgers we have fields. Go into fields. Here we have defined field status variants. The transaction code is OBC4. Click on this IMG activity and select this 0001 and click on copy. So actually why I am copying, because this is already given by SAP 0001. So we will copy that and we will change whatever we need, which field needs to be mandatory, which fields need to be optional. We can change it from this field status variant. First we'll copy this because SAP have given all the field status variants here for each and every general ledger account. So select this 0001 and click on copy as. Give the field status variant as 7788 and next 7788 Astika private Astika private limited and click on copy, and next click on copy all. Number of dependent entities copied is 45 and click on continue, and now click on save. Now we'll see the field status groups what has been copied to our field status variant 7788. In the first line we have 7788. Check this box, select this line and double click on field status groups. Here we have each and every group for each and every general ledger accounts. These many general ledger accounts we are not going to use it. These are related to all the modules in SAP. So apart from this, we'll be using only 4 or 5 out of all this. That is G001. This is for expenses. We'll use this general. And next is cost accounts and bank accounts. So next G029. This is revenue accounts, and then G067. Only these are used by FICO consultants. So now we'll go into general and see. Double click on general group G001. Now we'll get into this. Again, we have subgroups in this. So first we'll go into general data. So in general data, here we have suppress, required, optional. Optional means even though if we enter or no, anything we can do. It will be under optional. That means we can post the document even though if we enter the document or not. anything will be possible in optional entry. So there is no need of worrying it. But required entry will be under red star one. The entry which is under required. For example, text field is under required. I have selected it as required, not under optional. I have selected it as required. Then text field. If we don't enter, system will not allow us to post the transaction. It will ask, so text field is there, please enter something in the text field. If we select text field as required, but I'll keep it as optional. What is suppress? Suppress means this field itself will not show on the screen, even to enter or even to see. So this field will be under hidden. Okay, so I'll select it as optional. Already the SAP have given us all the fields which are to be suppressed, which are to be optional. We can change it as if we want. So now go back. This is field status variant. If we go to payment transactions in the next subgroup, here we have different fields: due date, value date, payment terms. These fields are related to the payment transactions. And again in this we have four pages. So sorry, two pages. These are the first page options. If you want to see the next page, click on this next page. So next page option is here. Okay. In additional account assignments, we have four pages again. These are the first page options. Click on this next page, down arrow, you will get into next page. So this is third page and this is fourth page. Under subgroup of additional account assignments. Okay. So this is all about field status groups, field status variant and field status groups. And now just save it. Hi viewers, in this video we have understood how to use field status variant and how to configure the field status variant. And in the next video we will see how to assign the company code to field status variant.